So I want to talk for a moment about rule number one, same page for the visionary integrator engagement. Why is this important? Well, it's important for a visionary and an integrator to be on the same page because you can't have any space between them in front of the rest of the leadership team. If those two are not in agreement on key elements of the business, they're going to end up bringing that to the leadership team. There's going to be discord. So same page meetings done on a regular cadence are a way for the visionary and integrator to get on the same page, and therefore they're a united leadership unit when they're in front of the rest of the leadership team. So Brandon, talk to me a little bit about what does that look like when you're working with a visionary?
Yeah, absolutely. Usually these are 2 to 4 hour meetings done monthly. And what you're doing is you're sitting there as an integrator, really trying to understand what's in the visionary's head. So you're obviously sitting here doing a check-in. Part of that relationship is really understanding, not only business side, but personal. You want to be able to relate, understand each other, just be on the same place on where life is. Because yes, we're in business, but life is life, and that takes control and sometimes influences the business. The next thing is just as you're understanding where the visionary wants to take the business, what issues, what problems are standing in the way, what hurdles do we have to overcome, what is currently not working the way the visionary envisions. And then you can sit there and actually try to solve IDS, discuss, identify which issues belong where, how can we solve them at this level, and ultimately take that back. But as an integrator, my goal from these monthly meetings is to make sure that I fully understand where and how the visionary wants to get it, to where he or she sees the business from a specific, whether it's the quarter out, long term, and I put all of those on the table so that we can identify, discuss, and solve issues that prevent us from getting there.